Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 7, 2023. Today, we bring you an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's essential not to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of November 7, 2023, our system has ranked Google as a hold/accumulate, with a score of -0.15. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced some natural fluctuations, but currently, it is showing a loss of 0% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently moving within a wide and horizontal trend, indicating potential future movements within this range. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential change of 0.0639% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -6.65% to 7.40%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 58.41% change over the next year, with a potential return between 49.57% and 74.89%. This suggests a price range of $195.89 to $229.06 after 12 months. Our latest update on Google stock includes the headline, Google stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold/accumulate after Tuesday's trading session. The Google stock price increased by 0.553% on the last trading day, Tuesday, November 7, 2023. It rose from $130.25 to $130.97, marking its 5th consecutive day of gains. We're eager to see if this positive trend will continue or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. Throughout the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 1.56%, moving from a low of $129.88 to a high of $131.91. Although the price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, it is still down by -5.65% during this period. Additionally, the trading volume increased along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign. A total of 7 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 25 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.26 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $141.22, while the lowest price was $84.86. Currently, the price is 7.26% or $10.25 below the 52-week high, and 94.65% or $2,317.95 below the all-time high on June 14, 2021, when it reached $2,448.92. Today, let's take a look at the latest analyst ratings for Google's parent company, Alphabet Incorporated, ticker symbol Google. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Google a perform grade with a hold action. Moving on to Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. Let's go back to Friday, October 13, 2023, when Macquarie also gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. Interestingly, on the same day, KeyBank also gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Tuesday, October 10, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Google an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Google. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 7.2%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. It's worth noting that the volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered to be a positive technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals to consider, which could impact the near short-term development. While the short-term moving average indicates a buy signal for the Google stock, the long-term average suggests a general sell signal. The fact that the long-term average is above the short-term average indicates a more negative forecast for the stock. In terms of resistance and support levels, if the stock continues to gain, it will likely face resistance from the long-term moving average at $132.68. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the short-term average at $127.54. It's important to watch out for a breakup through the long-term average, as it would provide another buy signal. Conversely, a fall below the short-term average would add another sell signal and reinforce the general signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, it's currently indicating a sell signal. Pivots, this signal suggested a buy opportunity 8 days ago. Bollinger, this signal also indicated a buy opportunity 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, it generated a buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, it's been indicating a sell signal for the past 11 days. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, it suggested a buy signal 10 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, it indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, this signal appeared 3 days ago, suggesting a buy opportunity. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, it generated a buy signal 161 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals and insights. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. When it comes to Google stock, there's an interesting support level to keep in mind. At $129.78, there's a significant accumulation of volume, which could potentially present a buying opportunity. It's likely that we might see an upward reaction when this support level is tested. In terms of risk, Google tends to have average movements throughout the day. This means that the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the latest trading activity, the stock moved $2.03 between its high and low, representing a 1.56% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.6%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Google, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. Google's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is typical for companies with established track records and predictable revenue streams. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $1.60. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Google. Starting with an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $134.57. If you're not currently holding any shares, it's advisable to wait for this level to be breached before considering a position. However, if you already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $129.78. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Google is buy. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On November 3, 2023, O'Toole Amy Thuner conducted an insider sell of 425 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 30, 2023, Arnold Francis conducted an insider sell of 250 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 27, 2023, Raghavan Prabhakar conducted an insider buy of 32,168 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 26, 2023, Raghavan Prabhakar conducted an insider buy of 16,190 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 26, 2023, Raghavan Prabhakar conducted an insider sell of 16,190 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -89.156. Overall, insiders purchased 396,754 shares and sold 7,200,175 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $125.28, which represents a decrease of 4.35%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 7 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? While Google holds several positive signals, we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate or accumulated position, as we await further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 8, we expect Google to open down $0.0500 and start trading at $130.92. Before we dive into the content, it is important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It is always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with our current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to comment below and share your thoughts. We're curious to know your target for the stock as well. And if you find our content helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Finally, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.